Okay, welcome to another Brintech E30 build. Today we've got Ian Shepherd's car here, which is a M54 swapped E30. It's a B30 engine, 3 litre. This engine's been fully rebuilt and we've reused the standard pistons and rods. We've done a little bit of cylinder head port work. We've made our own custom headers, which are down in there. You can sort of see the finish of those. They've been ceramic coated. There are some pictures of those on our social media and our website. They seem to make all the difference for the exhaust note and the power that we've managed to get out of this. So we're seeing about 180 kilowatts at the wheels, and that's due to the port work and headers and the Schrick cams we've got in. Around the intake side here, we've made a custom coolant expansion tank, which gets rid of the problem of the old E30 ones that are brittle, exploding and looking ugly and being a bit of a pain to mount when we do these conversions. So a nice bit of new hardware there. It's still got the bleeder line and relief. Easily accessible fuel filter location, which has a built-in reg and runs this engine the way that it should. It's a new 6-cylinder radiator, which does the job very nicely. It's got you can't really see it, but there's a spout fan in front of that, which is controlled by a PWM controller. So the ECU ramps up the speed when required. There's no harsh turning on of the fan, which can blow some of these old fuses here. In front of that, there's a brand new AC condenser, receiver dryer, and another fan in front of it, which you can kind of see through there. So that acts as a secondary fan and comes on as well for extra cooling when needed. Otherwise, it's just a fairly OEM looking engine bay still. All the OEM trims on there with functional AC. Everything works as it should. It's got power steering. We're running an M3 green tag rack in this from an E46. It's, of course, the click tuning shifter there, which gives a really nice short shift, very direct feel. It's exciting to drive with, both on and off the track. Yeah. Got a 5-speed gearbox out of an E36, custom tail shaft. This shifter is a click tuning shifter from over in Europe. The guys there have supplied 5 or 6 of these to us so far, and they're fantastic. As you can see, they're a really short shift, 3rd into 4th, a couple little clicks and she's in. That works really well for track days and that real sporty road driving feel that people go for with short shifters. So we've got a nice S54 rasp coming out of this system, which works with a combination of the custom exhaust system, the headers, the cam, support work. The only thing we haven't done is the ITB setup, which we'll be looking at experimenting with next. I did some uphill pulls the other night against some turbo cars, an XR6 Falcon, and this thing just marched away from it, surprisingly. For an NA6, these things are very surprising, that's for sure.